No, seriously, I think it's so great the way that you're showing everyone that even after winning 7 Super Bowls, you can still have a midlife crisis. Honestly, it's hard for me to watch people roast you, but I think enough of my family members have helped defend former football players. So I'm just here tonight to support you and celebrate you. Retirement isn't easy. It can be a lot like a bad breakup. So I'll give you the same advice that I give all my exes. Good luck knowing the best is behind you. Congratulations, Tom. Cheers, everyone, to Tom Brady.